Ever sneezed twice in a row and wondered if it meant something more? In many spiritual traditions, sneezing isn't just a physical reaction. It's a sign of shifting energy. Some believe sneezing twice means someone is thinking about you, sending their energy your way. Others say it's your body's way of releasing negative energy, cleansing your spirit, and making space for positivity. It could also be a message from your intuition, a gentle nudge to pay attention to something important. Are you ignoring a sign from the universe? So next time you sneeze twice, pause and reflect. Maybe your soul is trying to tell you something. What do you think sneezing twice means? Comment below, like this video, and subscribe for more spiritual insights.